husband, you should help on a wife. Okay? Things like this, it's not easy for the wife to climb up and do this. A husband job this. This is husband job.
So not climb up on wood.
What? Where is it?
Not climb up on wood. I say climb up.
What climb up on wood?
No.
Oh no.
But you can't climb up on chair to clean them. But you don't climb up on wood.
Wanna hear that? If the woman can't climb up on chair for clean these, but them a climb up on wood. But see, what is me hearing about it there? No, sir. I'm never afraid. Nice and clean, eh? Once a year. And a morning at the 2. I saw it late. Oh my gosh. They may have technique work. They may have a woman work. Last and final. You're nervous? You're nervous? You're nervous for me? I watch you.
Not us, me alone.
Your nerves, you alone. Oh, yeah. Guys, hope you help me clean.
Help you clean. So help you put up them, man.
You clean them for me and put them up.
Some things below.
Well, I mean, wash those, but the upper part of you do it. Maybe the outer herself, but we know fit. Clap back. Is it WOOD or HOOD? Oh, yeah.
HOOD.
No, sir. I never do that yet.
The last one, I always get trouble, you know.
So wash them with fab soap and make them drain and then shine them with Windex. So they hard to go in. Me couldn't do this. I couldn't do it at all.
Really hard, you know. You just
Technique. And you say woman not have technique.
skill.
Woman not have skill, woman. You say woman not have skill like that. Like man. If me I lift up something, me lift it up with strength. Man lift it up with technique.
Skill.
Oh, skill. Man lift it up. Boy. Cleaning day.
Pastor and chance.
Edge.
Let me look at something more.
You see the shine? Nice and shine.